My humble submission is that development is bound to be there, but it should be in a slightly different form, and that form should be that the farthest point in the capital region should be developed in the first instance, and then we should move towards the periphery of Delhi. Stop this suggestion I submit may be given due consideration. Stop. I am suggesting this simply because if we develop the farthest point first, then we will have to necessarily develop transport side of the plan also. Stop. That means that if we do not develop the transport facilities either by rail or by road, then we will not be able to develop the farthest point because people would not like to live there. Stop. Then there is a suggestion. Stop these multi-storied buildings coming up in Delhi can be easily avoided by allowing five-storied or six-storied buildings in the peripheral towns which we are going to develop in the national capital region, and all new offices may be located there. Stop para. At present in Delhi, the traffic problem is that it is always one sided traffic. Either there are colonies in a particular sector or there are offices or industries. Stop. In this, we should have such a planning that we may have a two-way traffic stop. That means in the morning there is only one way traffic, heavy rush, and in the evening it will be on the other side. Stop. In this way, if we plan the colonies, offices, and the industrial units in such a manner that the traffic density may be made on an even basis either in the morning or evening or at noon, then alone I think we can develop on scientific lines. Stop para. My further submission is that the most neglected aspect of development which I find in the peripheral towns nowadays is there is no provision for hospitals, no provision for schools, no provision for playgrounds. Stop. I do not understand how we can develop good colonies or good urban settlements without these basic amenities being provided there for the youth which is coming up, which is the future generation of the nation. Stop. My submission is that these are basic necessities. Stop. When I say school buildings, I mean right from kindergarten, not only up to higher secondary, but up to degree level. Because in India, as things today are, the basic qualification for earning a moderate living is graduation. Stop. I hope the Honorable Minister will keep in mind these few submissions when these plans are formulated. Stop.